For this recipe, we need these ingredients. Take some hanged curd in a mixing bowl and add ginger garlic paste into it. Add salt according to your taste, half spoon chaat masala, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chili powder, half spoon carom seeds, 1 spoon mustard oil, 1 spoon lime juice, and mix it well. Add the paneer dices into the marinade. Add onion and capsicum into it and coat it well. Refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put the pieces into skewers as shown. This is how it looks. Heat the pan on low flame and add some butter. Place the skewers gently on the pan. Keep on flipping till all the sides become nicely golden in color. After roasting it for 10 minutes, it is ready to serve.